Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Alua, and if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Anyway, I hope you all are doing amazing. So on today's video, we're going to be reviewing two products to say. This one, which is Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C Serum, and then we're going to talk about this one, Nivea Sunscreen. So these two products, in my last video, I was using Garnier face scrub. I'll put a picture of it here. I showed you guys how to use that face scrub, but on today's video, I'm going to tell you which serum I do use and why I would recommend it. Okay? So remember, Garnier has different products. They have face scrub, they have creams, they have serums, but so far I've only used two, which is the Garnier face scrub, the black one, anti-dark spot face scrub. I'll put the picture here, and I've also used this one. I feel like this is a very good serum, this Garnier vitamin C serum. It's a very good serum because my face is always so sensitive, and so far so good. This is the serum I've been using. This is 15 ml. Actually, this is the first time I'm using it. There is a 30 ml of the same. So there was a promotion in Jumia and I decided to order it because this one goes for 1500 when it comes to just normal days, but during the promotion it was around 700 in Jumia. So I bought it in Jumia, and it stated that it works within a few weeks. It makes your skin smooth. So I've been using it, and it's also anti-dark spots. It's effective from day 6. Okay, so when you want to start using this Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C Serum, which I'll recommend to anybody, you just put it this way. Imagine each chupa ni 600 or 7 kama kuna promotion, na kama kuna you'll dig deeper into your pocket, but it's an amazing product. So this is how I used it. I'm just from showering, that's why I've applied it direct. So if you want to use it, you shower first. After showering, you apply it over your face. I do use circular motions to make it absorb in the skin, like this, you see. It's the glow for me. I feel like I'm already glowing. So the good thing about this serum, it's not so irritating to the eye. Like, you won't feel any irritation around your eye. You can apply it everywhere, even this part. See it in ile serum unapaka huku unaacha this part inaanza kuturn black. No, you can apply it everywhere. So all you have to do, you just wash your face. After washing your face, or after using the black mask, the Garnier 3-in-1 black mask, you go in with the serum. So mimi kama mimi nimetoka kuoga with just the normal soap, because today I was not cleaning my face. I was not having a deep clean on the face. After showering, nikaamua tu nikuje niwaonyeshe as I record the video ni venye mimi upaka. So this is basically what I do. I just use this one, and then you're good to go. So this is for the vitamin C, and I can say it's a good serum. It's non-sticky. You won't get the white cast after using it. So I'd recommend it. Na kama unataka hii, enda Jumia ama Kilimall, there is a promotion ongoing, and get yours and experiment with it. Apart from me, wako na ile yenye ni black. It has BHA. You can go for that too. You're the one to decide which one you want. This one is for all types of skin. Hakuna cha oily, dry skin ama nini. It's all type of skin. Na it is dermatological tested. It has been tested by the dermatologist. So I feel like it's safe. If you're reacting, just stop using it immediately. So it has silicylic acid, and it also has vitamin C. Yeah. So we agreed that after using the face scrub and the serums, you need something to do with face protection. That is, you need a CPF, you need a sunscreen, so that you don't age so early. So this face cream that I'm using, I always use this one. Honestly, I feel like I've grown because I never felt like using a face cream was a big deal. But sai, Like I'm embracing that face routine. I don't have a face routine, but I have products that I can use on my face, which I'm glad I can do that. And say I'm using this sunscreen. I mean, the reason why I'm using this sunscreen is because when you compare the sunscreen to the Garnier one, I would have decided to use all the Garnier products, of which I chose to use a Nivea with the Garnier products because the sunscreen ya Garnier, it has 30 CPF. Hapa hivi, it's 30 CPF. But with the Nivea, it's 50. Kumaanisha, Nivea has a higher protection than the Garnier. And then the Garnier one, shida ya face cream ya Garnier, sunscreen ya Garnier, it's so irritating to the eye around this place. It irritates so much. This is because it is a chemical sunscreen. So ukipaka hii area, inaanza kuirritate. But I opted for this one because it's a chemical one. Na unaweza paka kila pahali. I want to protect this place so that I don't get dark under eye as I grow old. So this is the face cream that I use. Another reason why I chose this one, after applying it, imagine somebody won't even know that you're having a sunscreen. It won't leave any white cast. Hauta kama amepaka Fair and Lovely ile ya kitambo, unaona? And we all need something that don't leave a white cast. So this is the product I use. Wanasemanga you put as much as possible, but mimi wanaweka tu a reasonable amount. Let me just show you how it leaves my skin. Actually, I put more than this, but I just want to show you with this, okay? So with this one, I apply all over my face. And so far, I've not reacted because I use it like on a daily basis. So when leaving the house, make sure you have a face cream because this December, let's protect our skins from harmful sun rays. Okay. So I do use both hands, but I feel like this is the only clean hand that I can use on my face as of now. But you can use both the hands. So just make sure you apply it well. This is not, it's so soothing, it's so calm on the skin. So yeah, after applying it, this is how I look. No white cast, no nothing. Just me and my face glowing. So if you're looking for a sunscreen that you can start with, a friendly sunscreen yenye ita affect in any other way, you can go for Nivea. And also it's affordable. I feel like this is the most affordable sunscreen that you can ever get. Most sunscreens zinakuanga expensive, but hii nilibuy 700. Pia I ordered them together with this one 7 so I feel like this is the most affordable sunscreen unaweza pata, na pia it's so friendly to the skin, outashikia any gidhu na adhu, and then it will make you age gracefully. Outer age haraka ukianza kutumia hizi vitu mapema. You know, I never saw the need of using these things, but right now I'm aging and I really feel like I really need to use this sunscreen na this one. So let me see in the comment section wangapi wanatumianga hii sunscreen na how is the going with it. The Nivea sunscreen 50 CPF. Ama kama unatumia ile sunscreen ya Garnier, how is the going? Because mimi, I'm only using the serum ya Garnier and I'm using the sunscreen ya Nivea. And then face scrub natumia ile 3-in-1 blackhead removal ya Garnier. So basically, I'm using Garnier products. And when it comes to sunscreen, I'm only using the Nivea product. So that's it. So if you're after going in with the sunscreen, you can decide to apply makeup. Yeah. That's why it's good to choose a sunscreen that won't leave a white cast, so that when you apply makeup, you don't look, your face don't look so smooth. So decide on what you're gonna do. If you're going for this sunscreen and there is a promotion in Kilmall or Jumia, this is not a paid promotion, but I'm just telling you where you can get them freely, and let me know how it goes. So far they're my best products in the market when it comes to face products. Okay, then you remember this lip balm. I also bought it from Kilmall. You can check my other video. I'll put it in the description box. So guys, this is how I look after applying my face serum and the sunscreen. I'm protecting my face from the sun. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna meet in our next video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to hit that like button. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So until next time, stay amazing, 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 and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.